Rumor has it that Apple is planning on launching a newer version of the Apple TV with an improved cost structure that will be easier to afford. By the looks of it, it will be competing against Amazon and Roku, and we will be able to see it by the end of this year. Given how current Apple TV services are priced, it will be really good to have an affordable option with the goodies that Apple streaming has to offer. In this video, we will be talking about the upcoming affordable Apple TV and the possibility of its happening. So, without further ado, let's get started. The initial rumor began from a Twitter post made by analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. He claims that Apple is set to launch a newer version of the Apple TV with an improved cost structure. He also adds that Apple might be strategizing on integrating the streaming services with the hardware and content. This kinda makes sense given how determined Apple stays towards its ecosystem. Nonetheless, doing so might give Apple an upper hand over Roku and Google TV competitors. Even so, Apple TV is preferred by many people as the default streaming service. Extended Display Identification Data, or EDID in short, is a feature that tells your device which kind of display you're using and optimizes or enhances the display output for the best picture quality. Apple TV completely nails the EDID tech, as Roku or Amazon often confuses it, making it more appealing to home cinema nerds. Currently, there are 3 Apple TV devices that include the Apple TV HD and Apple TV 4K's 32GB and 64GB models. While all of them have the EDID feature, Apple TV HD lets go of plenty of awesome features that make the Apple TV 4K cool. There's no point in spending $149 just for 1080p resolution when you can get more just by spending a couple of bucks extra. This is where the rumored cheaper Apple TVs will shine. If it's priced below $99 and at least supports the AirPlay 2 and the EDID awesomeness, more and more people will likely adopt it. We mean, if you scroll down to the Twitter post we talked about earlier, you will find plenty of people sharing their positive experiences of using Apple TV over other streaming devices. Regardless of what this potential device ends up becoming, we just hope it will be more affordable compared to the current Apple TV devices. We will be back again with more updates on this new Apple TV as soon as it hits the shelves. So, that was all about the upcoming Apple TV. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.